Hi, this is Sherry from RYT Group Company. Here I'm in our backpack factory, and also we own a fabric factory as well, which can be strongly support our customers to purchase here with one-stop shop. Today we come here on YouTube to do a new project. On this series video, we would like to show the production processing of different bags in China manufacturing. So here we have various parts material. The following videos, I'm going to show you how to be processing this material to be these finished backpacks. Okay, let's go start it. A bag usually contains fabric, webbing, metals, foam, etc. For this top part, we mainly use three machines: needle sewing machine, high-foot sewing machine, and computer sewing machine. This is a high-foot sewing machine. So we can see this part is curved. And when the whole top with the handle is finished, we have to sew it to the liner of the backpack with this high-foot sewing machine. The main machine used in the design of the front part is this computer sewing machine, which is set up in advance. Once the computer designed, it will be more accurate and efficient to manually operate it. For these back parts, there is a big pad in the layer, webbing and buckles. And for this pad, it's actually made of 2 layers of fabric and a layer of foam between them. These shoulder strips have more design details than ordinary ones. We made the custom logo webbing and sew it with the buckle on the shoulder straps, which enhance the durability, functionality, and brand recognition. Now we've got full parts of each processing. The final step is to combine them to be a full backpack. The last step before delivery is to do the quality control. We will test each single details and rework or destroying those unqualified backpacks. So that's all about today's video. If you have any question about any machines or any processing, please leave your comments or contact us. We will choose the most popular topic in the comments and make a specific video. And if you want to know more about China manufacturer, please subscribe to our channel. We are RYT Group. See you next time.